Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Excel channel. In this video, we will see three shortcut key. One is Ctrl X, second Ctrl C, third Ctrl V. Ctrl X means you want to cut the content from one cell to another cell. Means you can remove the content from one cell to another cell by using Ctrl X option. What you have to do is select the cell from here you dot data wanted to remove, just press Ctrl X, then select the cell where you want to paste, like where you want to copy, then press Ctrl V. See, you don't want to keep the data in this cell, so what I did is I pressed Ctrl, selected the cell, pressed the Ctrl X key, then paste it where I want to keep the data. This is the use of Ctrl X. Now Ctrl C shortcut keys function is you can keep the data at both the cells. Like you entered here, select the cell, press Ctrl C, it will copy. Then where you wanted to place that data, just press Ctrl V. Like no need to write two times. If you write one time, then using Ctrl C copy and you can paste it another cell. I hope the simple explanation about these three keys is understandable to you. Please share and subscribe to my channel 5 Minutes Excel. Thank you.